Factor and binomials, here's where we start. GCF first, divides every part. Largest number, coefficient, share. Smallest powers, common variables, where. Pull it out before you move, then the rest falls into groove. Difference of squares, know the site. Only two terms in the fight. Check if there's squares with a minus between. A special pattern when the roots are clean. Take the square roots, then you'll see it becomes A plus B